Yes, my lovely people, 1J Progress Entertainment. This man in America, wife of almost 7 years, has him bring him to America from Jamaica. The woman take off gone left him in less than 2 years, my people. The woman gone left him. But hold on there, you know, my people. Hold on there before you start jump to conclusion. You know, listen to the story. And you go understand why this man here did marry and have him wife at Jamaica. And when him take him wife over in America, in a less than 2 years, the wife said, I have had enough and gone left him. And enough time, we get the story from one side. Probably the man will take up the woman. In the country, we get that side there, but we never yet really get the story of the side of the person who was actually the victim. We now waste no time, my people, so make we mix up the grave, you know, take the meat off of the bone and get straight to work, my people. Alright. You have this couple in Jamaica, right? The man, his mother, get figure foreign. And over foreign, alright and good. And then, what you have is this man down in Jamaica with him little woman. Right? Them did their face life, or do them thing at work. Life alright, marriage is good, marriage is sweet. But in Jamaica, the man has always been the provider to this lady. Him take care of the lady, do everything for the lady. So pretty much the lady job was only to take care of the home and make sure that the man alright, because they don't have no pitney. Them not have no pitney at all. You hear me I say? Boom, you know, it so happened that the man, mother, decides him to go file for the man. Right? The mother filed for the man. And the man reach America. The wife done the same way. You get to me I say? Them start do them thing, do them thing, do them thing. You hear me I say? The man there in America for almost 4 years before his wife reach in America. Why it takes so long? I have not a clue. But all I know, it take about 4 years for his wife reach in America. Right? When his wife reach America now, people, him man sort out himself, file for his wife, everything, the wife reach in America. But yes, so the thing change now. And everything get different. People, when the wife reach America, the same treatment when the wife used to give the husband down at Jamaica, the husband expect the same thing. It turned out that the wife said she want to go back to school. Right? And the husband has said to her, say, you don't need to do that. Because you reach a certain age now, so you don't really need to do that. You get to me, I say? But the wife did it, and the wife I say she in a different country. And all along she did at Jamaica, she now work. Because even for the 4 years she did at Jamaica, and the man work in America, send the money, go give her down there, maintain everything, maintain her, pay bills, everything, take care of her, foolish, no short and nothing. But this is the tricky part. Jamaica is different from them first world country. Yeah. Whole heap of opportunities and whole heap of job and everything there in a foreign country for a woman, just like a man. So when the woman come over and the woman get to see what America is like, the woman no want to sit down in a house every day and a clean house and a do them something there and all of them look same thing there and just did it so boring, nothing now go on and a wait for the man to take care of him. So the woman said she want to go to school. The man said no, sir, left them sitting there. Because right now you're kind of old, you don't want sitting. Bearing in mind, she not that old. But here, from your past 30, people think that school is not for you anymore. Alright. The man did their work. And not doing thing. Until the wife decides that she want a little job too. The first thing the wife do one little sitting with them call name CNA or something like that. But anyway, she take care of all people. Right? And that she do. Me don't never study something name, but she do something with name CNA NNA, whatever I want name, but all I know, whatever she do, that's something they make she have a little license where she can take care of old people. She take care of old people now, but the problem is, the little old people job where she take care of old people pay a little shilling. So the wife start make a little money now. The husband start change upon the wife. It's not the wife start change, it's the husband. Because the wife start go work and come in because she not doing no living nothing. She go work and come in just like the husband. Sometimes the wife think part and a thing with it, them they pass same shift. But the husband still expect the wife for you go work 9 o'clock in the morning, wake up early before him, cook breakfast, do everything, prepare up things to come in, come cook dinner later, wash clothes, clean house and everything. But guess what? One time it was the husband alone at work, but now are the two of them at work. So fear is fear. Everything have a split. But the husband used to them, they sitting from Jamaica and then in the America now. He couldn't wait for him wife come. Tell him when you want him wife come to come wipe his ass. That him want him wife left suffer in Jamaica. Come in a big final, you can make anything of yourself if you have ambition and willing to work and elevate yourself. Come here, come sit down and wipe your ass when you come in and take off your shoes and take off your socks and rub down your belly and give you a massage until you're ready to go back and work again. She get up in the morning, make breakfast for you, box you out and put in a covered dish and everything and send you after work, then sit down and watch TV all day and wait for you to come back home and repeat the process all around again. Now waste the woman die in America, waste her life. So the husband realize a certain thing now. Sometimes the wife are coming from work and the wife tired too. Because if you deal with old people, sometimes not easy. The wife come in tired, so no dinner, no cook and them something there. Be a problem starting at the house. Or when the husband reach home before the wife, the husband, because let me tell you something, people. You see, sometimes it doesn't matter who the person is with taking in the foreign country. From the moment them put you like the application and you get through and you become a foreign, them feel like them more superior than you. And them feel like them run things or anything with them say goes. And enough time of them think a mash up relationship. Because now the husband expect the same kind of thing from Jamaica. But when this woman was in Jamaica, this a woman in a for straw. Yeah, take care of her and do everything. But in a big old country like America, why should they come do the same thing? And at this time of the man, them need to get to them head. You cannot go work 9 o'clock. And the woman go work 9 o'clock. And you lay down in a bed and browse your phone or lay down in a bed and do whatever. And cock up your foot and wait for the woman jump out of bed and get up and make breakfast for you. Prepare for dinner. Hurry up, come back from work, come prepare dinner and sitting for you come in again. While you tap a road and drink 2 beer with your friend them and sitting and come. No! The woman a human being to after she no machine. So if you come home before the woman, why you can't start the dinner? Eh? It will do work Monday to Friday. Then you can't come together and clean the place and tidy up the place. No. Some man still have the mentality, say, all of them something the woman can do it. So all if the woman do 8 hour work and you do 8 hour work, you still have in your mind say the woman can go home and go do all of the hard work. Then you're not help. So why would you think, and this is the reason, my people, why a lot of relationship get knocked. The woman that do her work now, the husband start change because the husband tell the woman say, from she come a foreign, she change. Of course the woman change. The woman never used to work before. Now the woman that go to work, go do a full-time job. And go deal with all people and stress out herself and come back in. How you expect the lady to do everything what she used to do same way? You know must help to brother. And now you're a woman and you say you love your woman and your wife. Eh? See that now. All the man family them start say the woman change. All mother say the same thing too. You know see how some mother-in-law turn bad and wicked and dirty. Eh? Them now look on the fact that this woman is a working woman just like the man. The man go work go do 8 to 9 hours to the same thing the woman go work go do and come back. So why he can't share and balance? And people, he go on and go on, the man change pan the woman. Whole heap of arguments start happen. Whole heap of things start happen. What you think the woman do? The woman decides she leaving and she want a divorce. Because she had enough and she can't take no more. And I cannot wrong this woman because that is the best thing she could ever do for herself. Because there's supposed to be some level of fairness, half and half and half. So sometimes when we hear see a man take up a woman from Jamaica or wherever and the woman ungrateful and the woman left him gone, it's because the man will take up the woman come a foreign. Try to expect the woman to go on the same way like when they are Jamaica. Them not to elevate themselves, them not to go work, and them to treat them like them a king same way. Take off them shoes, take off them socks, wash off them foot. Go, carry the food, come, do you want anything? Like them a wait a kiss on the move on the little nastiness here, man. Eh? You know an idiot? You a pay bills and the woman a pay bills too. You a work and the woman a work. So there is no time at all when you decide say you want get up early one morning and surprise your wife and make breakfast because she a got work. And make breakfast eat two no. He never cross your mind one time say me left early before my wife, you know. Me a go home go make some dinner, you know. What wrong with that? No. You go home go sit down and wait and drink 2 beer and wait for your wife to come in. Tired like a dog. If you come cook your dinner. I saw sometimes some of the wife have a sprinkle sit night and swallow no belly. That have happened to some of you. Because you just really no fear. And we always get the one side of the story as bloggers where the man them come out now and bash the woman. Oh, woman ungrateful. She there in Jamaica suffer. Have done everything for her in Jamaica. Me no make she work a day in her life at Jamaica. Me pay every bills. She no short or nothing. Yes, that was in Jamaica. Where opportunities are limited. Even if she go work a one little minimum wage, she can't do nothing in the house. She only go tired out herself for nothing. So why not if you're there foreign your work and your woman, you send the money go give her to make sure that she alright? Eh? But when she come in at the country now, why you never encourage her to go back to school? When she want to go, you give her the impression that she too old for that. And young people something them there. Eh? When she want to go work, she have to force it to go get a job. And when she do get the job now, guess what? You want to live like a king. So really and truly, you never bring a wife from Jamaica. You bring a maid. So you better if you won't get a maid in America to take care of your wife, you have to come join you. And at them people are the problem with people. The woman move out and go get her own little apartment because she work her money. And you can't come off of work every day and go home and them they stress there. And bird not sitting. And the woman living her life alright. Them divorce, she alright, she a do her thing. She go back in her school, she a push herself. I try to go for that thing where them call them RN nurse and them something there. Sometimes ladies, you know, don't make no man take you up and carry you go foreign and wall you down in a one little box. And only when him walk me to no can come out and push up on the head like I saw. And when him really do him do, he lock you back down and say stay there again till later till him ready to come walk back the box. No. Sometimes you get the opportunity for a big country, a big wide world. Pushing yourself to the extreme. Because remember, you know, I not only man alone them thing happen to, you know. I not only woman alone, you know. You hear me I say? You have women too who bring man into the country and expect them to just stay at one level too. And not want them to grow. So it go both ways. But in this case, this man I expect the same thing when he used to from Jamaica with him wife. Him wife will come America now. Right? And come treat him like a king and just sit down like some housewife. When there is more to life. You get what I say? But guess what? I cannot blame the woman. I mean, now go blame the woman. Ladies, push yourself if you can. When you go in a country like America, Canada, England, it's a big country where you can be anything for you have the mind feet and you're willing to work hard feet. Go ahead and do it. Don't make no man take you up and carry in a country and take you turn doormat. You don't have to go greet them at doorway every time they come from work, take off them work bag, take out everything, this, that, take off shoes, socks, everything. No! Can't do it yourself. You don't have to spend money to in the house and pay bills and everything. Jamaica different. Jamaica hard and tough and no work no day. A man have to take care of Jamaica, so you go. But if you come in a foreign country, my man take in the country and you see nah push you. Move on and let him. Don't come turn no maid. And even for the man them too. Don't make no woman take you up from wherever you not come from, come in a foreign country, and come take you to no yard boy. And turn no little squabs. When you no can do more for yourself. If I this the thing there, you no cut and left them. Simple as that. And people, at that me just want to show the other side there. Because it happen too much what we see. One side of the story where somebody has said this a person ungrateful, that the person ungrateful, but yet still we didn't get the real reason why that person have to be that way. And that are the reason make this a man end up happy live pan him one now or find someone that little girl and in good wife when take from Jamaica, gone, divorce him and push herself to higher heights. Right, they say them people. 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe people, you don't know me go to work already, you know. You don't have to ask nobody nothing, you know. Nobody have to tell you nothing, you know. Because you know see a 1J Progress and you know we go to work already. Remember me people, it's 15K we going after for March and we know we can do it. Remember good, you know man, a 1J Progress and there can be no other. Believe.